Here's my new Starlink, just delivered. Figured I'd give you guys an update. Unboxing. I'm in New Brunswick, Canada. There's the instructions. Some packaging that we don't need. Right on. There's the dish, the stand, the router, all your cables. I've also ordered the through-the-wall hardware kit and I think it's called the Volcano roof mount. Hopefully my internet that's giving me up to 10 megabytes per second will give me 100 megabytes per second with this new Starlink. Currently with Seaside, and up to 10 megabytes per second is not enough. Stay tuned to let you know how this works out for speeds. Thanks for watching. Cable routing kit for going through the wall. Even comes with the drill bit and the silicone. Starlink silicone. And here's the Volcano mount for mounting it to the roof. The screws, the mount, some tar. I don't know what's in this box here. Oh, clips for holding the cable to the side of the house. And it also came with a carrying bag for your satellite, just in case you want to take your satellite on a walk.